Hi you guys, thanks for joining me for today's lunch meal prep video. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Molly and I do weekly meal prepping, usually keto or low carb recipes, super healthy, budget friendly as well. So I started meal prepping because I liked to have healthy meals ready to go for my lunches during the week. And then now I've been meal prepping a little more to stay on budget with the rising costs of everything, food, gasoline, housing. So meal prepping is just a really great way to stay organized, healthy, stay on budget to save some money. So check out all of my meal prep videos if you are new. Lots of lunch, breakfast, snacks, all super healthy, really easy. So I hope you enjoy those ideas. Go check them out. If you're new, also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. So I will get this lunch for the week ready to go. I am going to have a cheeseburger stuffed peppers. So with 4th of July, just a few days away, I wanted to do a really fun cheeseburger stuffed pepper. So I have my peppers, bell peppers, green and yellow, and I have ground beef, and I'm gonna cook that up with some onion, and I have some minced up garlic, and then I'm gonna add in some shredded cheddar cheese, and I will dice up some tomato. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, my favorite local olive oil, Organic Roots. If you're local to where I'm from, you guys all know this, it's the best. So I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil for my bell peppers. So I have my oven preheating right now, 350 degrees. I like to cook my peppers first when I make stuffed peppers. So I will get those cooking while I cook up the ground beef and the cheeseburger mixture. So I'll put the recipe for this in the description box if you want to make this one. Really yummy and really easy. All my recipes are really easy. So check out the other ideas that I have for some meal prep motivation if you need it. I have lots of playlists for lunch meals, breakfast meals, so don't forget to check those out. So I will get all of this going for the week. So I have my stuffed peppers and I'm going to cut them in half, and then I am going to use my melon baller and scrape out all of the insides and the seeds of each bell pepper. So I have 4 and I'm going to cut them each and put them in my Pyrex pan. Once they are all cleaned out from the seeds, I am going to add on a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to brush it on with my little silicone brush. I just love using this to brush on olive oil. But I'm going to brush this on, and then I'm going to cook these peppers in the oven. I have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I'm going to cook these for 25 minutes, get them nice and soft. So while the peppers are cooking, I'm going to make my hamburger mixture. So I have a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to add in half a cup of chopped up onion. I'm going to stir that around, get it nice and soft. I'm going to add in, I have a teaspoon of minced garlic. So I'm going to cook the garlic and the onion for a few minutes until it gets nice and soft, and then I will add in my ground beef. So now that the onion and garlic is ready to go, I'm going to add in the ground beef. I have 1 pound. So I'm going to break it up into small pieces, nice and small crumbles. Mix it together with the onion and the garlic, which will make it delicious. And I'm going to cook this. I'm going to keep stirring it so that all the sides get nice and browned, and then it's cooked all the way through. So my hamburger's done, my peppers have cooked, so I'm going to fill the peppers with my hamburger mixture, and each one, so I'm going to fill them all the way almost to the top, and then once they are filled, I'm going to add in shredded cheddar cheese. You can load this up with cheddar cheese. It goes perfect with these cheeseburger stuffed peppers. So I'm going to bake these in the oven again for another 15 minutes, and then they will be ready to go. So you can top these with any of your favorite cheeseburger toppings, ketchup, mustard, avocado. I'm going to add in some tomato, but you can put on any kind of toppings you like, pickles, lettuce, to make these your favorite. All right, so the cheeseburger stuffed peppers are all done out of the oven. I'm gonna portion them into my meal prep containers, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of diced tomato on top. You can also add some shredded lettuce, some diced avocado, anything that you would like on your cheeseburgers, maybe some pickles. So feel free to add all the toppings that you'd like, but I'm gonna portion these into my meal prep containers, and then lunch is gonna be ready for the week. All right, so this week's lunch meal prep is ready to go. Super healthy cheeseburger stuffed peppers, keto recipe for this week. So check out the description if you want to make this one. I hope that you guys like this idea with summertime here and lots of barbecuing. This is a great way to have a healthy cheeseburger. So check out the description if you want to make this. Click subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you haven't already, click subscribe. So do that, hit the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. And I hope that you have a great day, hope that you have a great weekend, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.